Imagine walking into a place where forest breathes, stars blinks, and bridges makes you lose the balance. Sounds like Dubai or Singapore, right? But this is actually right in middle of Hyderabad. Hello and welcome back to our channel for another video. So today we are going to explore one of the newest attraction in Hyderabad, which is Mayawat. And in this video, I am going to share all the details that you need to know about this place and our honest review and our experience about this place. So let's get started. This is a completely indoor experience where they have used lights and illusion to create a magical world. And the best part is that since it is indoor, you can visit here anytime, even in rains or even in peak summers. So the entry ticket for this place is 590 rupees per person for adults, and for kids it's about 350 rupees. And this place is open from 10 a.m. to 10 p.m. So in this room, using lights, they have created such a beautiful magical effect. Try walking straight in this because your mind is going to make it very difficult to walk straight. Although the rooms they have created are really nice, but because this is just open today, there is a lot of crowd and I don't think it is managed really well. So you'll see all the footways lying outside badly, and then once you enter, in each room there are a lot of people. So because of the mirror effects, in all your pictures you're going to see people, and that magical effect doesn't really come up because of the crowd. So I would suggest if you are planning to come here, don't immediately rush to this place. Wait for at least 1 month for crowd to get settled down and most of the people to come here and visit. And once the crowd is little less, maybe this place might feel better for your experience. So एंटर करने के बाद देर आर मल्टीपल सेक्शंस और हर सेक्शन में कुछ कुछ कॉन्सेप्ट्स बनाए हैं. सो इन दी बिगिनिंग देर वॉज मैजिकल फॉरेस्ट, और उसके बाद में देर वॉज वन रूम विद कैलेडोस्कोप जहाँ पर आप अपने आप को मिरर्स के थ्रू मल्टीपल टाइम्स देख सकते हो. एंड कुछ एक सेक्शन में ऊपर से वी कुड सी सम लाइट्स एंड ऑल. इनमें से बहुत सारे कॉन्सेप्ट्स हमने पैराडॉक्स म्यूजियम में भी देखे हैं, but that was so very well maintained. ये जगह because it's also the first day, still वो इतनी clean नहीं है. On all the mirrors I can see the fingerprints and marks, जिसकी वजह से वो magical effect नहीं आ रहा है. And कुछ कुछ जगह पे तो display screens भी निकली हुई है, जिससे कि पूरा effect ही break हो जा रहा है. इनमें से बहुत सारे कॉन्सेप्ट्स हमने दुबई में भी देखे हैं, वहाँ के फेमस अट्रैक्शन आया यूनिवर्स में. बट वहाँ पे वो इतना वेल ऑर्गेनाइज्ड था कि ये सारे रूम्स एक्चुअली में उतने मैजिकल लग रहे थे. यहाँ पर उतना अच्छा वाइब नहीं आ रहा है बिकॉज इट्स नॉट वेरी ब्यूटीफुली क्रिएटेड. अगर आप ध्यान से देखोगे ना तो यहाँ पर बहुत अच्छे से नहीं बनाया गया. यू कैन सी कि ये कैसे हैंग किया है ये ट्री के लिए, तो उतना वाइब नहीं आ रहा है. एंड ऑब्वियसली द क्राउड एंड द नॉइज डजंट गिव दैट वाइब जो इस ऐसी जगह पर आनी चाहिए. there is mirror maze जहाँ पे आपको mirrors के through you have to find the way out, which is pretty common everywhere. And then there is also the moving tunnel, so LED tunnel where the tunnel rotates, but it feels like your way is actually rotating, and it's really hard to walk straight in that. ये same concept भी हमने Paradox Museum में try किया हुआ है, and that was also a good experience. Next is this section, and because of the mirror, it looks like an infinite room. You really won't know कि यहाँ से बाहर कैसे निकलना है. So is this place really worth visiting? Well, if you ask me, there is a lot of crowd at this point of time, so it doesn't give the vibe that it should give. Also, if you are expecting some roller coaster or adventure ride, this is not the place for you. So about in 40 minutes हमने पूरा एरिया कवर कर लिया है, एंड यहाँ पर उतना वेंटिलेटेड नहीं है, तो बहुत देर आपका अंदर रहने का मन भी नहीं करेगा. This is one of the unique experiences which are here in Hyderabad for good pictures and Instagram reels and a 30 minutes of fun for kids. बट उसके बाद आपको ये बहुत ओवरवेलमिंग लगने लगेगी, और इतना क्राउड है कि ऑनेस्टली उतना वाइब नहीं आ रहा है. Since this is relatively new and unique experience here in Hyderabad, you can visit here for one time, but I don't think this is the kind of place that you would like to visit again and again. Let me know in the comments what do you feel about it. Well, that's it from this video. I hope you enjoyed it. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel if you haven't already. हम इस चैनल पे हैदराबाद की सारी न्यू और पुरानी अट्रैक्शंस की वीडियोस डालते रहते हैं, so stay tuned for that. We cover these places so that you don't have to. I'll see you in my next video. Until then, happy wandering.